Hello everybody, this is Aryan Thakkar, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials. This is going to be your last part of the transformation series where I will take up your reported speech, a full dedicated video on your how to master your reported speech. All your concepts will be cleared as you progress with this video. Okay? So chalo, let's get started. Now, reported speech, also known by the name direct to indirect speech. I find that students face difficulty while doing this part. Don't worry, I have got you covered. Direct to indirect speech. Okay? Now, it is very simple. Only you have to have the knowledge about the tense. You will have to identify the tense given in the question and then accordingly transform your structure, the question which is there. ठीक है? सबसे पहले कुछ rules समझ लीजिए. Now, if any direct speech, basically ये सारे direct speeches के लिए है. And ये वाला transformed है आपका indirect speech के लिए. So any direct speech which is, number one, if is in simple present tense. Simple present tense का पहचान क्या है? Lives है, reigns है, ठीक है, या reign है. Now s जो हम लोग लगाते हैं वो singular subject के लिए यूज करते हैं. And like for example, she lives in Delhi. ठीक है, she lives in Delhi, but they live in Delhi. So singular subject will take your singular verb, plural subject will take your plural verb, and plural verb is V1 without using S or ES, and singular subject is V1 with S or ES. Okay, please remember that. So simple present tense has to be transformed into simple past tense. So lives will become lived and reigns will become reigned. I hope that is clear. Number two, if the question is in present continuous form like is, am, are and उसके साथ V4 यानी कि V1 plus ing form अगर है, that is continuous form, it will transform into past continuous like was, were, ing form of the verb. ठीक है? Don't worry, सारे questions हम लोग उठाएंगे और मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या है. Then number three, if the question is in present perfect form यानी कि उसमें has, have है, V3 यानी कि participle का यूज करना होता है. मैंने आपको पिछले वीडियो में बताया था. It will be transformed into past perfect, that is had के साथ participle. ठीक है? Participle form का verb यूज करना पड़ेगा. Next, if it comes, any question comes in present perfect continuous form, that is has, have, been, ing form of verb, it will be transformed into past perfect continuous, that is had, been, ing form of verb. Okay. Then if the tense is in simple past tense like lived or reigned, it will be transformed into past perfect had lived or reigned. Had का इस्तेमाल होगा. Simple past into past perfect. ठीक है? If a question comes in past perfect form, it remains unchanged. It does not change. ठीक है? Had lived reigned will remain had lived reigned. उसमें कोई changes नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? If a question comes in past continuous form, it will be transformed into past perfect continuous. Like was, were वाला अगर question होगा तो it will become had, been, ing. ठीक है? Past was, were plus V4 will be had, been, V4. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. And if a question comes in past perfect continuous like had, been, ing form, then it will remain unchanged, just like your past perfect. Past perfect remains past perfect and past perfect continuous also remains past perfect. And please take the note of these following words, that when we are transforming from direct to indirect speech, these are some following word that changes along with that. Okay, like this becomes that, this evening will become that evening, these become those, these pen will become those pen, now becomes then, here becomes there, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day, yesterday becomes the previous day or the day before, last night becomes the previous night, can becomes could, may becomes might, shall becomes should or would, both can go, but at times it depends on the context. वो आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ के खुद समझना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Will becomes would and ago becomes then. तो ये सारी चीजों का अगर आप ध्यान रखेंगे, आप देखेंगे आपका रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कभी गलत नहीं होगा. चलिए थोड़े क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं सो दैट यू गेट द इनसाइट. मैं आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने में भी हेल्प करूंगा एंड आंसर भी बताऊंगा. फर्स्ट वन, ही सेज यानी इट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस, ठीक है. I live in London. Now, I जो होता है आपका थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, I के साथ I lives नहीं होता है, I live होता है, ठीक है. So it is he, she, it के साथ हम लोग V1 plus S या ES लगाते हैं. This is all singular subject. वहीं we, they and I के साथ हम लोग सिर्फ plain V1 लेते हैं without using S or ES. We don't put S or ES. So, what is the question? He says, I live in London. So, this is present tense. Simple present will become into past, simple past. So, your answer will be, he said that, I will become he, live will become lived in London. Now, आपने कुछ देखा होगा कि यहां पे मैंने क्या लगाया, that. So, whenever a question is in assertive form, यानी कि स्टेटमेंट में है, तो उसके साथ हमें that as a linker यूज करना पड़ता है to connect it to the statement and transform into indirect speech. Okay? वहीं अगर if the question comes in interrogative यानी कि क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में है, देन वी यूज इफ या फिर वेदर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ठीक है. इफ या वेदर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. वहीं अगर इंपेरेटिव है, इंपेरेटिव कुड बी अ रिक्वेस्ट और इट कुड बी अ कमांड. सो उसमें फिर हम लोग रिक्वेस्टेड या कमांडेड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं या एट टाइम्स ऑर्डर्ड का भी यूज होता है. एंड फॉर एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस, एक्सक्लेमेटरी का पहचान क्या है, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क लगा हुआ होगा, देन उसके लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं एक्सक्लेम, ठीक है. असर्टिव सेंटेंस है तो दैट का यूज करिए, इंटरोगेटिव है तो इफ या वेदर को यूज करिए ज्वाइन करने के लिए, इंपेरेटिव है तो या तो रिक्वेस्टेड या तो कमांडेड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी है तो एक्सक्लेम का यूज करिए, ठीक है. सो ही सेड दैट ही लिव्ड इन लंदन. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. चलिए कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. शी सेड आई एम स्टडिंग. So see, I am, this is present. Am means present and studying is your continuous V4. I am studying for my exam. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? She said that, I बन जाएगा she में, that she, am का हो जाएगा she was studying, for my will transform into her exam, ठीक है. She was studying for her exam. I hope this is clear. चलिए next one. She said I am, okay this is repeated, sorry my mistake. Third one. She said I have been working. So this is have is present, been is perfect, working is continuous. I have been working here for 5 hours. So it will transform into present perfect continuous बन जाएगा, past perfect continuous. So she said that I will become she, have will become had, been, working, here will become there for 5 years. ठीक है? She had been working there for 5 years. I hope this is clear. चलिए next one. He said, I visited my he said I visited Paris last year. Visited, that is simple past. Simple past will be transformed into past perfect. So ये हो जाएगा he said that he, past perfect का पहचान क्या है? He had visited Paris last year. Full stop. ठीक है? Next one. She said, I had already seen. Now, I had already seen means had is your past perfect. So, past perfect remains past perfect. So, she said that I will become she had already seen that movie. She said that she had already seen that movie. ठीक है? Next one. He said I was past reading continuous. So past continuous will become past perfect continuous. So answer होगा he said that I will become he. Was का बन जाएगा past continuous form. Past perfect continuous form होगा he had been reading a book. ठीक है? He had been reading a book. Next one. She said I had been waiting for 2 hours. So this is past perfect continuous, right? So past perfect continuous remains past perfect continuous. It does not change. So इसीलिए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? She said that I will become she, copy paste, had been waiting for 2 hours. चलिए exercise time खुद से करिए अब. He said this book is very interesting. So this book is present tense will become past tense. He said that this will become that book इसका क्या हो जाएगा? Was very interesting. Okay. Next one. She said these shoes are hurting my feet. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? She said that these will become those shoes are will become were hurting my feet. Okay. Next one. He said I have completed my work now. He said that he have will become had completed, my will become his, work now will become then. So आप bit by bit करके करेंगे ना तो आपको खुद आसानी होगा. ठीक है? Next one. She said I have been waiting here for an hour. She said that I will become she, have will become had, been waiting, here will become there for an hour. ठीक है? Next one. He said I met her today. Past tense, met. He said that he, simple past will become past perfect. So he had met her, today will become that day. Okay. Next one. She said, I had an appointment yesterday. So she said that she had an appointment the previous day, or you can also use the day before. Okay? Now, had an appointment, past perfect will remain past perfect, unchanged. Okay? Next one. He said, I was working late last night. He said that he was working, past continuous will become past perfect continuous. So he had been working working late last night will become the previous night. I hope that is clear. Next, she said, I had been practicing for 2 hours. She said that past perfect continuous will remain past perfect continuous. She said that I will become she had been practicing for 2 hours. Take care. I had been practicing for 2 hours. She had been practicing for 2 hours. Next one. He said, I can solve this problem. He said that he can will become could solve. This will become that problem. Take care. Next one. She said, I may visit you tomorrow. So she said that she might visit you will become me. The tomorrow will become the next day. Next one. He said, I shall return soon. So he said that he shall will become should, or it could also be would. Both are correct. Return soon. Take care. And the last one. She said, I will help you. She said that she would help me. Got it? So इस वीडियो को ब्रेक लेके पॉज करके आप देखिए. Let all the rules settle down nicely and then do along as I am doing, and I'm sure you will be able to do it. And for the interrogative questions or the exclamatory questions, when I'll take up my next video in which I'll be solving PYQs for the last 5 years, उसमें जब आएंगे मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हुए समझाते जाऊंगा कि यहाँ पे ये क्यों होगा. ठीक है. And I hope you are liking my video, and if you are, then please do like, share, subscribe and share my YouTube channel with your friends so that quality content can be spread over to the masses of students. Have a good time preparing for your examination. Bye-bye.